Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. From midnight on December 8, the new website of the Salesian family is online at this link: www.famiglia.salesiana.org. The site where it is possible to learn about the mission and history of the Salesian family and ecclesial reality extended throughout the world, as well as to deepen the specific identities of the 32 officially recognized religious groups and movements inspired by the charism and apostolic mission of the founder, St. John Bosco. The new platform also serves as a link for all the documents concerning the organs of animation of the Salesian family, namely the Statute and the World Consulta. Father Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians, will be the protagonist of the second meeting of the cycle, which Salesians are today's young people, organized by the Centro Studi Opera Tabernacoli Viventi in collaboration with the Conference of Salesian Provinces of Italy, CISI, Formation Sector. Saturday, December 11 from 10:30 to 11:45 UTC+1, the 10th successor of Don Bosco will deepen the first programmatic line of the 6-year period, growing in Salesian identity, and his interventions will be visible to all live on the Facebook page of Don Bosco, Italy. In the interview, which will be conducted by Father Silvio Rogia of the Formation Sector, Father A.F. Artime will answer questions on why it is essential for a Salesian to always return to Jesus, on how to do it, on what it means to be in love with Him and learn to live moment by moment, one days with the Lord. On December 8, 2021, the World Confederation of Past Pupils of Don Bosco commemorates the 110th anniversary of the first international statute. The newly elected World President Brian Magro, in a video message to all the past pupils and friends of Don Bosco, stressed that on this day two important anniversaries are commemorated. In addition, on the solemnity of Mary Immaculate, the World Confederation also commemorates the 110th anniversary of when, under the inspiration of Blessed Filippo Rinaldo, the past peoples of 22 countries gathered in Versailles for the first International Congress of Past Peoples, and on December 8, 1911, the first international statute was approved. Therefore, Brian Magro says today, this is a truly significant day for the past peoples and friends of Don Bosco, and as we value and celebrate our roots, we also need to reflect and discern the present and shape the future together. Following Pope Francis' invitation to celebrate World Youth Day 2021 in the local churches, the young Catholics of the Deanery of Tetere gathered for the World Youth Day celebrations from 2nd to 5th December at the Don Bosco Agricultural Technical Center, DBRTC in English. Despite the political unrest and extensive damage that has recently occurred in the country, the 4-day program was attended by 450 young people from different parishes. The youth program on the theme Holy, Formed and Sent for Service included activities of reflection, deepening and formation on various themes, as well as moments of prayer and leisure. The director of the DBRTC and parish priest of the parish of Christ the King, Father Robinson Parapili SDB, urged young people to be messengers of peace in the country and to bring Christ and Christian values into the lives of other young people. The event, Our Hope for Europe Conference on the Future of Europe, has been held on Tuesday, 7th December 2021 from 19 to 21 UTC+1 at the Chapel for Europe in Brussels, Belgium. The Executive Secretary of Don Bosco International, Renato Cursi, will participate in the conversation in the second session of the event. The appointment is part of the contribution of the churches to the ongoing Conference on the Future of Europe. The conference is the first of its kind. It represents a great pan-European democratic exercise with citizens-led debates, forums and discussions that allow people across Europe to share their ideas and help shape a common future. All this is done through an innovative multilingual digital platform where every European citizen can share their ideas, and also through round tables of citizens, both national and European. These contributions feed the plenary assemblies of the conference. The conference therefore provides a new public forum for an open, inclusive and transparent debate with citizens on the number of key priorities and challenges. Keeping the spirit of the Don Bosco Green Alliance alive, 500 students of the senior secondary classes of Don Bosco School, Kokar Ranchi, planted 500 rose plants. They participated actively in the program under the supervision and guidance of the principal, Father Babu Varghese and Preet Prakash. The awareness program organized in the school has sensitized the students about ecology and their role in collaborating with God as part of eco-spirituality. They have decided to be a new generation of environmentally committed citizens. On November 23rd and 30th, the Education for Development team gave the cloister of the Salesian School San Francisco Solano de Montilla a training on PHC financed through the funds of Fund Day. The Education for Development team of Bosco Global EPD energized in Montilla, Cordoba, a course on how to integrate the APS methodology in the classroom to a group of almost 30 teachers of early childhood, primary and secondary education of the San Francisco Solano School. The main objective of the course was for the faculty to know the pedagogical principles that support the learning and service. APS methodology brings APS experiences carried out by different educational entities and to establish a work plan to implement this methodology into your school. For the director of the school, Augustin de la Cruz, the center has been developing different social actions for years, and therefore it makes sense to be able to integrate into the dynamics of the center that curricular learning is established that revolves around the development of a service to the educational community and the people, responding to social needs that are detected by the students. In complex times of economic crisis and changing social realities, children and young people are the most vulnerable part of society. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused, in addition to affecting school performance, that they lose motivation and the digital divide is widening. They are recipients who need, throughout their academic life or part of their journey, to be accompanied, supported and motivated. In this context, the Aupa project was born in Salesians Pozoblanco, animated by the Magonia Youth Association and developed in the Casa Pinardi of the Salesian work in collaboration with Caritas Pozoblanco. The group of sponsors was joined by La Cagza, which has also made a donation of educational backpacks together with the Delgado Vicino Foundation, COVAP. Industrious Pecavarius de Pozoblanco, Caritas, the Salesian family and the El Patio Federation, thank you for all making it possible, they said. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.